If you're looking for an affordable photography light, then this video might be what you're looking for. I've tested two of the most popular spotlights made by Neewer, the FL10 and the FL20, and I would say they might be one of the best value lights out there. In this video, I will compare them, so we'll see which one is actually worth buying. Both of them belong to the same lineup, the Neewer Basics FL series, so they share many design choices and features. Even the content of the boxes is practically the same. Along with the light, there's a silicone snoot with 20 gobo filters, a velvet storage bag, and a charging cable. They're both fully aluminum made. The FL20 is just a little longer and heavier, roughly 100 grams more than the FL10, but everything else remains pretty much the same on the outside. They have the same control knob that lets you cycle through the four colors they both feature: white, yellow, red, and blue. Both also have linear brightness tuning and adjustable beam zoom. So as you've seen, they're very versatile, but this point actually leads us to the first main difference between the two, that highlights the FL20's hardware. In fact, the FL10 only reaches 10 watts of output, while the FL20 doubles that power, providing yellow light at 2000 Kelvin and a maximum illuminance of 3000 lux at 0.5 meters. While at the same distance, the FL10 only reaches 1620 lux. The difference in power is significant, and that's why the FL20 might be more suitable also as a primary light source in your videos. The FL10 is great as a spotlight, as a primary source in close-up shots, and as a background light, while the FL20 is powerful enough to become your main lighting equipment with a diffuser. When using them side by side, you can notice the difference in power only when you're looking for a primary light source. On camera, you can't appreciate the actual difference in power with the filters and the silicone snoot, so as your secondary spotlight, even the FL10 does a great job. Another important difference is the cooling system on the FL20. It has an integrated fan, and as you can see, it has 2 rows of cooling grills to help dissipate heat. Although it doesn't have a cooling system, I haven't experienced overheating on the FL10. The FL20, on the other hand, at the maximum power setting, does actually heat up a little more, but that's nothing dramatic as it doesn't affect performance. The choice between the two depends on what your needs are. If you're looking for a more portable and affordable product that still provides a nice output, I'll go for the FL10, especially if you're searching for a secondary spotlight to create a dynamic backgrounds or light up specific subjects. But if you really need an all-rounder, more powerful light, I'd recommend the FL20, despite the price difference, since it can provide enough output to become a more versatile product. Feel free to check out the links in the description to check out the prices and availability. And if you're interested in the FL10, I'll leave you my dedicated video about it right here.